Hi everybody. Just thought I'd give you a brief rundown on how you can set up your Arduino IDE so it has a library of your own creation. So here I am in the libraries directory, creating my own Audio Shield DTMF library. And if you take a look around, you'll see I've got the keywords set. And these will only be read if they're read in as part of a library. Otherwise, they're completely ignored by the IDE. I'm not sure why they set it up that way. I've got a library properties file here. Library properties gives me some information about the name of the library, version, my authorship, maybe what I'm supporting, which is the MCP 4921 DAC. And what I've got in here also is some information about my web page, what category this is in, and the AVR architecture that I'm using. I'm generally supporting almost all the AVR architectures here. And if you take a look around, we've got two important libraries. One is called the examples and the other is called the source. The source has got my library in it, and this is containing my headers and my C++ programs. That gets compiled in advance. The examples, which is got a single example in it called dial, has a dial.ini file in it, but it also has a copy of the C++ and header files, so they'll come up so you can have access to the source code that's used for this library. So what will happen when you go to start the IDE, and you must restart the IDE every time you make a change in the library so it can reread the library. Unless you package it as a zip file. Go to DTMF. You'll see the pop-up example dial. And when that opens, not only does it open, but it also shows you the source code for the libraries. And that's because they've been geographically co-located with the dial.ini file. So in other words, if what you did was you deleted the CPP and .h files from the dial directory, you would no longer see them in the IDE, but in fact they would still be compiled and they'd still be used because they're part of the SRC. Also, you might notice that the DTMF is actually a part of the keywords, and therefore it gets highlighted, and that's done automatically for you because DTMF is one of the, if not the first keyword in the keywords directory. Right up in there. So presumably we'll see things like DAC Write are also highlighted, and DAC Write 16 may also be highlighted. So if we take a look at the DAC Write 16, they are indeed highlighted, and if we see them over here in the code, they're also highlighted. So that's it. That's how you deploy an app like that. A couple ways you can go to package these things. If you're of mind to do so, you can create a zip. I'm going to call mine foo.zip for no particular reason. And what we'll do is we'll recursively pack foo.zip with audioshield.dtmf. And then what we'll do is we'll move foo.zip over to my attachments, and then we'll delete the Audio Shield directory. Now when you restart the IDE, you should see that the Audio Shield is indeed gone, and I'll restart the IDE to do just that. And then we'll install from a zip file instead of by surgically editing the library folder. So here, if we go to examples, we go down, we look for the Audio Shield, we don't see it, which is expected. We go to the library and we do an add zip, and now we go to the attachments and look for foo.zip. Change it to date modified. Here's foo.zip. Hit choose. That opens it up. It says added to your libraries. Now if we go to examples, we should be able to find Audio Shield, and there it is, and it's back just where it was in the libraries file. And presumably it's all in there. And that's my little demo on how you can handle libraries and library deployment with relative ease. Hope you like my little demo. Talk to you later. Bye.